6 minutes. That's all it takes to go from scrolling to scoring, from watching charts to owning them. I'm Wolver, and I'm about to show you how to launch a token that does $5,000 a day from your couch with zero code. Not a theory, not a course, live execution. You know the loop. Wake up, check charts, watch red, chase some random dev's project, get dumped, repeat. That cycle ends now. I'm not teaching you to find pumps. I'm teaching you to be the pump. Here's the shortcut. Telegram links in the description. One message. I hand you the contract that prints $5,000 days. You keep every dollar. Step 1. Enter the war room. Open your browser. Type remix.ethereum.org. Yeah, same environment Uniswap was built on. Looks intimidating? Good. That means it's powerful. Most people see this and quit. That's why my Telegram exists. I do this for a living. Left side, File Explorer. Create new file. Blank page. This is where financial instruments are born. You're about to name something that lives forever on chain. Type vanguard.sol or your name. Hit enter. .sol means solidity. You just stopped being a tourist. You're a builder. Step 2. The alchemy. Find the S icon. Solidity compiler. Top drop-down. Compiler version. One mismatch equals failed transaction equals burned gas equals wasted money. This mistake alone has cost beginners thousands. Set it to 0.8.20. Industry standard. Click compile vanguard.sol. Green checkmark. Your idea just became bytecode. The network sees you. Step 3. Point of no return. Click deploy and run transactions. Environment. Injected provider. MetaMask pops up. Connect your wallet. You're 5 steps in. Wallet linked. You're armed. 4 inputs. Token DNA. Name. Your empire's title. Make it land. Symbol. VNG. APX. 3 letters. Aggressive, sticky. Supply. Your central bank. 1 million, 1 billion. You control scarcity. Decimals. 18. Always 18. Non-negotiable. One wrong number and your token launches crippled. Critical warning. Blockchain is a glass box with no delete key. One exploit, one forgotten lock. Your liquidity walks. This is why I exist. I sell bulletproof contracts. Pre-audited, pre-war, Telegram link below. Solo builders die here, every time. You're not auditing your own code, you're gambling. Step 4. Launch. Wallet funded, compiler locked, contract selected. Gas fee ready? You need fuel. All green? Deploy. MetaMask pop, gas estimate, confirm. This is the filter. Consumers hesitate, owners execute. Click. Hash appears. 20 seconds. Your token is live, permanent, public, unruggable. You're no longer chasing alpha. You are alpha. Step 5. Claim. Deployed contracts. Copy that 0x string. MetaMask, import tokens. Paste. Add. Confirm. Look at your wallet. Your ticker. Your supply. Your name. You built wealth from zero code. But here's the unfiltered truth. A token with no liquidity is just a screenshot. A token with no community is a flex with no follow-through. A token with no strategy is a parked car. Deployment is the warm-up. The real game? Liquidity that holds. Launch mechanics that filter bots. Narrative that makes people need your ticker. This is my Telegram. I don't drop contracts. I drop complete money systems. Link is live. 95% of projects never leave the driveway. Contract live, chart empty, no plan. I provide the missing stack. Pool strategy, volume triggers, entry architecture. The exact formula that pushed my guys from 0 to 5 figures daily. My Telegram DMs are full of people doing $5,000 to $10,000 right now. You're still reading. Done watching? Ready to own something that actually moves? Telegram. One word. Deploy. I build. You bank. You crossed the line. 6 minutes ago, you were refreshing Twitter, waiting on random devs. Now you own the contract address. You are the dev. The tools are free. The execution is mine. Copy it, or let me run it. Telegram is open. Gates open. Engines hot. Build, or watch me build for you. Link below. Go.